Welcome to 1265 Switchfoot Drive in Rolling Oaks here in Huntertown, Indiana. This new construction home offers 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and is sure to impress anyone who walks in. Let's go check it out. As soon as you walk inside, you'll notice the high-end features that Freeze Parker Building and Development prioritizes in all new constructions. Things like bullnose corners, coffered ceilings, and quartz countertops in the kitchen. If you're looking for a gorgeous ranch to call home or a custom builder, feel free to give me a call. I'm Rachel, and I look forward to meeting with you.